Hey Python bros, let me show you how to flex with a visualization. I want to show you a cool library called bar chart race. We don't need a lot outside of it, just some pandas and some HTML to be able to display it in Jupyter. I don't like to see all of the warnings that come with it, so I'm gonna ignore those. Bam! I've prepared some data for us in the form of installs per network. And we're gonna demonstrate how our volume evolves by source during the quarter, giving us a very good perspective of where our users come from. Let's format our date column as date with the toDateTime method. And let's go ahead and cumulatively sum our installs. Why? Because that way we're able to show the progression of users that come from each source during the selected time frame. It's gonna make sense in just a bit. In the end, we have a data frame where all of the columns are continuously growing. When we don't have any incremental installs, the number stays the same. And here's where the magic really happens. We're gonna feed it into our bar chart race function. We have our cumulative sums data frame. Under file name, we're gonna specify none. Otherwise, it's gonna export a MP4 file. Let's give it a title. And then I'm passing a function that sums the total amount of installs per week. That way, we have also a total counter. Let's see what it does. And there it is. Pretty awesome, right? Look at it go. It's only 9 seconds, so it loops relatively fast, but we can decrease the speed and we can play with it however we want. My tip, save that as an MP4, put it on a slide in a business review or in a presentation, and you are gonna drop some jaws. Hell yeah! I definitely recommend giving the bar chart race library a try. I just love how it shakes things up. Let me know in the comments what use case you found for it and whether you managed to get a good reaction when using it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you stay awesome, and until next time, hell yeah!